Kianas, let's go. Let's go, Kianas. Let's go. Yeah, there's a river here. You see the water, Kiara? Yeah? You want to jump into it? It's dirty. It's dirty. I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. It's so dirty. That's hold his hand. Hold daddy's hand, okay? Don't go by yourself. Hey, Kiana, stop. Stop. Don't go. Stop here. Hold daddy's hand.
چیکار کنیم؟ یادیه بریم؟ یا نشستن که نداریم
You can put your feet in the water. Hold daddy's hand. Hold daddy's hand. Sit. Why don't you sit? Oh.
bizim onu kiyanaz هم در بیارم
It's like, yeah. Oh, the duck.
Dog?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the bird.
I think the duck's going in the water.
The bird is thirsty. Look, Yarash. The bird is thirsty. Ooh, look, Yanos. Ooh.
چیه بابا؟
Yarash, sit. Sit. Yarash, sit. No, just sit.
Sit baba. Lucky, no? Look at him, look at him. How he's sitting over there. He just sit over.
Sit down, Yarash. No.
Huh?
It's dangerous. You can't walk on the water.
Just put your feet in it. Look like him.
No, Kiarash, you
swimming.
can't
See,
do
Baba?
that.
No swimming.
Nice park
Bye.
here. It's called Balboa Park. People come here on Saturday. They go on picnic. Nice. Where's the water coming from? You want to take it easy and you don't want to bring anything. Oh, Kianas. Oh, Kianas, what are you doing? Oh God.